Hello everyone! Welcome to this video, where I will show how you can restore photos and videos that you have deleted permanently from your iOS devices. If you have accidentally erased some precious memories and you want to recover them, don't worry, it is possible. All you need is a special app called PhotosRecovery. Let me open the app and you can see that it has many options to recover different types of data, such as photos, videos, SMS, and more. Of course, you should only use this app to recover your own personal files, not someone else's. So, if you are interested in learning how to recover your deleted files, stay tuned and watch this video. Before the installation, you need to change some settings. First, enable Background App Refresh by going to General and choosing it on Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi and mobile data. Second, turn off Battery Saver Mode, because it can mess up the app. Make sure you do these 2 steps before moving on. Now you are all set for installation. What you need to do next is open your internet browser on your device and go to the website called injectelite.com. This website has many modded apps and games that can give you amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for PhotosRecovery and click on it. You will see a page with some information about the app and a button that says Start Injection. Click on that button and wait for a few seconds. The website will start injecting the mod into your device, and this process might take some time, depending on your internet speed and device performance. After some time, you will see a message that says, Injection completed. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device, and you are done. However, there might be one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step might vary depending on your device model and operating system, but it usually involves downloading some additional files. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it on the website. Just follow the instructions on the screen and complete this step as soon as possible. Once you have done this step, you will have the PhotosRecovery app on your iPhone. So that's how you can recover deleted files from iOS devices. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.